This is Emmanuel from Weaf Company Uganda Limited. In this session, I'm going to be showing you some update or a module that we have on one of our products, which is a restaurant point of sale, commonly known as the Weaf Table POS. So I'm going to be taking you through the process of splitting your bill such that different customers can have, or maybe let's say people came in a group, they made one order, but the payments are to be handled separately. Each of them wants a separate receipt. So I'm logged into the demo account. I'm going to make a selection of the items that are going to be, or like to make an order. So I'm going to have separate things here. Okay, so after making your selection, I'm going to also add the burger. After making your selection, I'm going to go ahead and bill, or it can be a KOT. They made an order and the order was taken to the KOT. So as it is in the KOT, it will still appear in the order section. So when I'm in the order section, I can still go ahead and add other things to it until the KOT is done. Or I'll go ahead and bill this. So on billing, I'll specify I'll assign someone to the order. Then we go ahead and we do the add payment. So on adding payment, I'm going to say, if at all you don't want split, just select the payment type. Then you go ahead and complete. For this, I'm going to click on split bill. It will take me to a page where I'm going to split. Now, here you need to know one thing. How many receipts do you want? By default, the system will give you 2 receipts. This is the first one, this is the second one. You can go ahead and add. Now you have to allocate these items or whatever they purchased on the different receipts. I'll say now this one has 2 quantities. I'll push 1 to the first receipt. Then I'll push the balance to the second receipt. That one is fully covered. This one has 1 piece. I'll push this to the first receipt. Whatever is complete, it becomes inactive. I can say I want the third receipt on this. It is here. It also comes showing you that you already have some taken. So I'm going to push 2 pieces here. The remaining are 2 for soda. I'm going to push the balance on this. Now I'm going to push 1 here. That is whole chicken. I'll push 1 here. I'll push another one to this. Chips, I'll give it to the third receipt, all of it. And then burger, I'll give it the second receipt. Okay, now we have split our items accordingly how we want them to be paid. So after doing this, I'm going to come here and click on process split order. It is saved. What I didn't show you in the process of splitting is you have to specify the payment types. If you don't, the default one will always be cash. So I'm going to click, if I want to print this, I'll click on print. Now this will give me the receipt with how the items allocation was done. Okay, it will give you with how the item allocation was handled and how much. You see this? So here it is showing in A4, but if at all I wanted to print with my small print, I'll just go ahead and switch this. Then you go ahead and do what? Go ahead and print. But I left it to this for the purpose of demonstration. If at all this receipt was submitted to URA, it will come with the physical document number, each of them. For submitting the receipt to URA, even if they are split, at URA we shall send the whole receipt. We send the whole receipt. Okay? So basically this is how or what you're supposed to do to try. Now, if to show you how to receive payment on this, I'm going to how to specify the payment types. Let me just try to check on this. When you come to split at the top here, this is where you're supposed to specify the first person, how did they pay? Maybe it was cash. When you come to the second receipt, how did they pay? If it was mobile money, go ahead and specify mobile money. Then you continue with your allocations. Okay, so that is what I want to take you through, the process of splitting a receipt on Weaf Table POS, such that different customers can have their, or they can account for whatever they consumed while at your restaurant.